Are you looking for an affordable professional website to advertise your local service? You've come to the right place, so keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Mighty Sites platform to build a simple and affordable website for your local service business. Let's get started. Now, if you haven't heard of Mighty Sites before, welcome to our YouTube channel. We pretty much have built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people's various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month. And there is a free trial available for 7 days. You don't even have to put your credit card details in. So make sure you click on the link below this video to get started with that 7-day free trial. Give the platform a go. See how well it works for you and your small business. Now, once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your markets. Now, we've got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week. Let's go ahead and search for our markets. I'm just going to go ahead for this one and select service, business, general service. Awesome. Let's go ahead and tell Mighty Sites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. Pop in your business name, city and state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world you're operating from, you can enjoy the Mighty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Now, once you click that continue button, Mighty Sites will do all the hard work its magic, and create a simple website for your service business and automatically bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new websites in under 30 seconds. Don't worry about that for now, because today I'm going to be the one to show you the ropes. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've actually pre-written the content for you. This is just a guideline of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality. They're completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you want to select images more specific to your service. Maybe you've got your own images of all the awesome jobs you've completed for your customers. You want to showcase it on your website or the products you offer. To make any changes on the Mighty Sites platform, you don't need to know any website coding. You don't need to be a web professional in any kind of way or have any web development skills. Absolutely not. And you certainly don't need to hire a professional to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. It's literally simple enough to launch and manage from your smartphone. Let me make my way to the top and show you how the platform works. I'm going to go ahead and click on the first section, pop in a few basic details about my business. I want to make sure that that's visible to my customers, that email address, so check that box, show email and sites. Awesome. Phone numbers, click to call, and physical location. Maybe you are a mobile business, leave this off, but if not, pop in the details over here, the physical location. When your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. Now, underneath update social links, you can put in the links for your social media channels that you're active on. Once you've done so, the icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your Mighty Sites website, so your customers can give you a follow and get some engagement going on your social channels. Now, if you've got a business logo, head on over to the next section to upload it. If you don't have a logo yet, check out our other videos. We give you free ideas or options for free or low budget logos. If you don't have a huge budget, maybe you're just starting out your business. Once you click on save, you can click on that little icon, that pencil, to crop your logo, rotate it, add filters or frames. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can resize your logo. You can make it bigger and smaller. If you'd like to change the colors used throughout your Mighty Sites website, click on that paints icon, go through the various color palette options. There are so many to choose from. I'm so spoiled for choice here. Now, for each section you'd like to make a bit more personalized to your very own business, maybe you want to change those images or the buttons, click on update image. This is where you can browse your device and upload your own images or search through that photo library. We've literally got hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. You also have the option to connect your Instagram account. Let's check this library out. I'm going to go ahead and just search for handyman to be specific. There are literally hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. They don't look like they've been taken on a mobile phone at all. Now, underneath update action is where we can change that text on those buttons and where they link to. You can even upload a PDF file, maybe with more details on your services, your rates and pricing options. You also have the option to link to another website. Maybe you take online booking, so you can pop in the URL over here. Great. In the last section at the bottom is where we have a lead generation form. Keep track of all your leads in your Mighty dashboard. This is where all your customers can easily reach out to you with their queries. Now, domains are really easy as well. If you have a custom domain for for your business, you wish to hook it up, go ahead and click on that connect your domain button at the bottom. It's really straightforward. If you don't have a custom domain yet for your local service business, I really recommend that you get one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors in your area. Go ahead and click on that button as well. You can actually purchase a custom domain via the Marty Sites platform as well. I really hope that short tutorial was helpful in building a simple and affordable website on the Marty Sites platform for your local service business. I'm really wishing you and your business Marty success. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give me a thumbs up for this video, and check out our other videos on small business marketing tips.